Hello everybody and welcome back to GeForce and our coverage of CES. We're here at Corsair's booth to see how they and Origin PC use NVIDIA GeForce RTX 20 series graphics cards to power their systems. Let's see what they've got. Of course, Corsair has a ton of stuff here at CES that we're checking out, so I'm going to talk to Dennis some more about that. Now, Dennis, tell me a bit about the Vengeance PCs.
So when we launched the Vengeance PC from the beginning, we utilized NVIDIA GeForce graphics, and the latest 5180 series is an update to bring in the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super into the Vengeance series.
What's the philosophy that Corsair has when they're building the Vengeance system?
So we want to bring everything that we can to that DIY gamer that wants that best experience for esports and for the full range of games that are out there, but also be able to upgrade it as well. It gives you all of the Corsair smart case, the all-in-one cooling solution, the Vengeance RGB memory, so you get everything that you want from all the best Corsair ingredients and then keeps you gaming into the future.
Of course, if you guys really want to go off, you have an amazing system called the Corsair One.
We have the two lines, the Corsair One and the Corsair One Pro, and what you end up with is a full system with industry standard parts. So we use mini ITX standard motherboards. You also have standard memory, standard power supply, and we utilize all of our pump technology from our all-in-one cooling systems to give you the best performance in as small a form factor as possible.
Corsair has been making some big moves in the last couple years. There's a lot of well-known, respected companies now under that pirate flag. There's Elgato, there's Origin PC, and there's Scuf. What's the thinking on adding all of these respected brands to the Corsair lineup?
Corsair has always been focused on the best-in-class performance for content creators, for gamers, for just DIY performance PCs. So as we look at filling out our product portfolio, we look for those types of brands that are out there where we can help build out their engineering resources and also bring their technologies in so that we can have the best solutions that we can deliver.
We're checking out Origin PC's offerings here at CES 2020, and I'm with Kevin, the CEO of the company, and you've got to show me the Big O. What's this thing about?
The Big O is back. It's the 2020 edition. It's a fully customized liquid-cooled top-of-the-line PC and an integrated liquid-cooled console in one chassis.
So what you guys have combined here is really what makes it special. What's inside the Big O?
So inside on the PC side, it's totally customizable. You can go up to an Intel 9900K. On the GPU side, it's the highest end single GPU you can put in there. So 2080 Ti or Titan. And then it also has an integrated Elgato capture card. So you can stream and record your console.
So you've got the choice of an Xbox One S or a PS4 Pro on one side, and then RTX graphics on the other side. You really can have like the best of both worlds in one system.
Yeah, it's basically the ultimate content creation and entertainment machine. And even if you just want to have your kids playing on the console and you're on your PC, you can enjoy them both separately on two different displays.
So you have two here that are color-coded based on whether there's a PlayStation or an Xbox inside of it, but I know Origin. You guys do customizable to the extreme. So what can people make their rigs look like?
Oh, you know us all too well. So we can paint the chassis whatever color you want, HD UV printing, and then now Scuf is part of the Corsair family, so you can also get a Scuf controller to match your PC exactly how you want it.
That's so cool. So you guys have now also been acquired by Corsair, right, as of July 2019. What's it like for you guys now working with such a huge builder of different components?
I mean, being part of the Corsair family is awesome. Now iCUE is being integrated onto our PCs, so everything will be controlled by iCUE, their powerful software tool. The Big O actually has a Corsair 280X chassis, so it's the smallest Big O we've ever built. So they just have such high-end components, and everything they build is top quality and all about gaming. Everything just works together beautifully.
So speaking of iCUE, that's the update for your RTX laptops that you're showing off at CES as well, right?
Yeah, so we recently also announced iCUE is coming to our Evo laptops, our 16-inch and 17-inch. So now with one software, you can control all of your lighting on your peripherals and your PC.
Well, we hope you enjoyed seeing just some of what Corsair and Origin PC have to offer here at CES 2020. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.